We are going to be making framed photos that play a song when you scan the QR code on them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As the holidays get near, I wanted to share a DIY gift that I gave my husband, and every time people walk by and see it, they always say what a cute and thoughtful gift it was. So it's really cheap to make and you can make it in a pinch last minute, and it's also super thoughtful and something that you're going to keep around for years to come.
The only supplies that you need for this project are matching photo frames, printed photos with the QR codes on them. It's optional to add decals on top of each photo, and you'll need a way to create your QR code and also to add the QR code to your photos. And I'll show you a couple of options on how to do that in my video.
All right, so the first thing you're gonna need for this project is locate whatever photos that you'd like to print and get framed. I used a Walgreens right down the street, and they offer 1 hour printing, which was super convenient, especially when I was in a pinch. And their photo uploader I really liked as well, because it will tell you if your photo is a high enough resolution for the size that you're printing it at, which is super important because you don't want to end up with a pixelated photo that doesn't look very good. Next thing that you're going to need is to pick out the song or songs that's going to go along with your photo. I picked out 4 songs from each stage of our life that went along with the photo. From there, you're gonna need to generate a QR code. I'll put the link below of the one that I use to generate QR codes, and what I really like about this site is that they're free to generate the QR codes, and they also can be used unlimited amount of times and they never expire, which is huge. You don't want to months down the road scan the QR code and it not work. So, how are you gonna link the song to the QR code? Basically what I did was I went on YouTube, I found the YouTube video of the song I wanted, went up into the browser, copy pasted the link, and then plugged it into the QR code generator, and voila, you have your QR code that you're gonna lay over the corner of the photo. Make sure your QR code is working properly before printing it on your photo. Do this by scanning the QR code with the camera on your phone and making sure it links to the proper YouTube video. So I used Adobe Illustrator to make the edit to add the QR code to my photo, but a lot of people like really simple editors like Canva or even one of the free apps on your phone. If you don't know how to do this, you may even ask someone at Walgreens to help you out, because they're usually pretty computer savvy and could pop over like a simple text or QR code upon request. The next thing that you're gonna need is some nice matching frames. So I obviously sized and cropped the photos to pick the frames that I wanted. I went with an 8" by 8" photo and all matching frames with this kind of light brown finish on them, which looked really cute in our bathroom. I'll link some frames below that you can buy on Amazon. I actually got mine at a local company because I waited until the last minute to do this gift and I needed to find something locally. So I think I finally ended up buying my frames at Target. All right, so the final step is to get your photos printed with the QR code, of course, on top. And then the last optional step is to add the decal to the glass of your frame at the bottom. So I specifically picked this type of frame so that it would have this nice border for me to add the decal to. I did what's called an interior mount decal, and it's actually mounted to the back side of the glass. So I can't feel the decal right here, but I could feel it on the back side of the glass, which means your decal will need to be cut in mirror image. So when you apply it to the back, it'll show the right side when you look at it from the front, if that makes sense. Now, I own a sign shop, so these were really easy for me to make, but if you don't have access to something like that or an at-home Cricut, you can order these on places like Etsy if you have the time. If you want to do something really cute in a pinch, you can do some paint pens at Michael's if you have good handwriting, and they even sometimes have those stick-on alphabet letters that you could put on the glass of your photo. So I hope your project turns out really cute and this is a memorable gift to your special someone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next one.